Hey lawn dogs, Floyd with Honor Outdoors. We are back at it getting the mowing done. We are getting ready to knock out this yard right here, so stick around, check it out. And then I got some bad news. There was something bad happened at my house. Anyway, YouTube, play my intro.
This ain't my first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know some things you can't take back, some things you just got to let go. Well, hell, I got Sammy on the phone, Nikki at home, trying to get along so I can get with you, baby.
I don't know if you can see this, but you see your breath. Hold.
Dan, are you coming, babe? Well, you might think you drive me insane. I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think that maybe you should know this ain't my first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know there's some things you can't take back, there's some things you just got to let go. Well, I ain't got time to change your mind, 'cause the bus is a humming. Are you staying? Are you coming? Come on, baby.
Hey lawn dogs, so we have a murder scene at my house. Let's check it out. It's could be kind of grossing for you little ones, so don't watch if you don't want to see it. So here it is. See the feathers everywhere, some blood on that leaf. This is fresh. I don't know what it's from. I don't believe it's one of my ducks, but we're gonna go double check. Maybe a pigeon. I don't know, but let's go check on my ducks. I've been nervous about my ducks. They free range for the most part. They do go in their coop, and they've been in their coop for the last 2 or 3 days. Haven't really seen them come out. but my female has been missing. I think I'm hoping she's brooding, but she's been missing for a couple days, so I know that's not her. But I think she's been brooding on some eggs, so we'll see. So I'm going to look right now and see what we got. And it does look like I might be missing a duck. This sucks. I am. God dang it. Doesn't make me happy at all. I'm missing one of my khakis. Actually, I'm missing my mallard. Oh, all right. It happens, I know. Doesn't make me feel any better. What do? Do you lock them in a coop and just let them be cooped up all the time? So they're just stuck in a cage? I don't like that either. Oh, I forget how old I am. My back is killing me. I gotta work on my posture and my weight. Anyways, hey, hope you enjoyed that. We're back at it. Hopefully more footage comes your way. And Stay positive and stay strong. And always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.